Hi and welcome. I'm Gina from Little Designs. In this video, I'll walk you through each step from downloading your pattern to printing it, choosing the right size and putting it all together with ease. Let's get started. Downloading the pattern. To download your pattern, go to your Etsy account on a computer or a desktop. Click on Purchases and Reviews. Then find your order and click Download Files. For small files, you can download the pattern directly from there. If the file is too large, you'll see a document called Pattern Download link. Open it and click the green Download Here button. Note, if you checked out as a guest and don't have an Etsy account, no worries. Just open the email Etsy sent to the address you used at checkout. You will find a download link there to access your files. Accessing the files. Click the green Download Here button. This will take you to Google Drive. Right-click on the file and select Download. Save it to a folder on your computer that is easy to find. Tip: don't open the file directly from Google Drive. This won't activate the Adobe Acrobat Layers feature. Make sure to first download the file to your computer. Open the file with Adobe Acrobat Reader. It's free to download from adobe.com. I'll link the download link below. This step is so important so you can view the pattern layers properly. What's included in your download? First, the sewing guide, a detailed booklet with all the info you need about the pattern, plus easy-to-follow sewing instructions. Second, PDF pattern in 3 formats. The US letter in A4. It's perfect for at-home printing on a standard size paper. An A-note, ideal for print shops, formatted for large format printing. And projector, optimized for projector users with clear, easy-to-view layout. Lastly, the bonus bundle, a free gift pattern plus a collection of handy sewing tips and tricks to support your sewing journey. Saving paper. To save paper, you don't need to print every single piece. Skip the rectangular pattern pieces. The section named Paper Pattern Pieces Print Pages in your instruction will tell you exactly which pieces to print and which pages to print based on the size of your choice. Write down the specific pages you need before printing. And the section named Fabric Rectangles and Square Cut List in the instruction will tell you exactly the dimensions of all rectangular pieces in both metric and imperial units. You can either cut those pieces directly on fabric or make paper patterns, whichever works best for you. Choosing layers to print. To save on ink, open the Layers panel in Adobe Reader. If you don't see it, go to View, Show and Hide, Navigation Pans, and then Layers. Uncheck the sizes you don't need. Keep in mind that each size includes an outer line with 1 cm or 3/8 of an inch seam allowance, and an inner line without seam allowance for custom fitting or measuring. I personally like to keep both lines visible for any size I'm printing. Always keep the last 3 layers checked no matter which size you're printing. The legend file, notions, and page layout. Printing tips. Write down the specific pages you need before printing. When printing, select the actual size or 100% scale. Don't choose Fit to Page. To assemble the pattern, trim along the top and left dashed lines on each page. Match up the page numbers and symbols, then tape the pages together. I like to tape the corners and along any pattern lines to keep everything in place when cutting. Once taped, cut out your pattern pieces and you're ready to sew. You still have questions? I'm always here to help. You can message me anytime on WhatsApp using the link in the pattern files. Thank you so much for supporting my small business. It truly means the world to me. I'd love to see what you make. Tag me on Instagram or send me photos. And don't forget to leave a review if you enjoyed the pattern. See you in the next video. Bye!